Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremy Vinny here. Today we're diving into something for Tesla lovers, the Lasfit second row seats back cover mats for the Tesla Model Y from 2019 to 2023. Right off the bat, the design of these mats is sleek and minimalistic, something we've all come to love from Tesla compatible accessories. They blend seamlessly with the interior, maintaining that futuristic, clean aesthetic we love about Tesla. It's like they're meant to be there, enhancing the overall look and feel of your car. I found the installation process to be ridiculously easy. Seriously, anyone can do it. Step 1, flatten those rear seats. Step 2, align one end of the mat to the car's body structure. Find the sweet spot and stick it. Last step, make sure everything is aligned and press it down firmly and you're good to go. No tools, no hassle, and it's all non-destructive. Now, Lasfit use high-quality TPE to craft these mats, meaning they're environmentally friendly and non-toxic. They're durable and wear-resistant, making them ideal for those who use their Model Y like a pickup truck, hauling everything from e-bikes to landscaping materials. Now, the precision here is next level. Lasfit employed 3D scanning tech to ensure a glove-like fit. Every edge, every corner is mapped out to perfection, allowing the mat to align flawlessly with the original structure without affecting the function of the original car's seat. After a long day of hauling wood or plants, cleaning is the last thing you want to struggle with. Thankfully, a damp cloth, a hose, is all you need to get these mats looking brand new again. However, steer clear of using abrasive cleaners, trust me, you don't want to damage the mat surface. Transporting e-bikes can be quite a challenge. The sharpened metallic components can easily compromise the integrity of your car's interior. Thanks to Lasfit's precise design and durable materials, the mats ensure that your car interior remains impeccable, preventing any potential damage from the bike's components. When you're using your Tesla Model Y as an all-purpose hauling vehicle, protection of the interiors is not just about maintaining aesthetics, it's an investment in preserving the resale value of the car. Given the economic value these mats bring, by minimizing wear and tear, they're practically paying for themselves in the long run. So if you're in the market for some top-notch protection for your Tesla Model Y, these Lasfit second row seat back cover mats are a smart buy. The precise fit, simplistic design, ease of installation and cleaning, coupled with the robust protective features, make it a smart buy for Tesla Model Y owners. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.